Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mini unboxing and review for a brand called ITALIST. And ITALIST is a company that sells designer pieces, popular designer pieces for a discounted price. So stay tuned and let's get to it. Okay, so now we're going to get into the review of the company overall. And we're going to talk about the shipping. I believe it was about 2 to 4 days, which they were pretty accurate with. And another thing, you know how it is when you order something online and when it comes the color is off, or you know, it just doesn't look like what you thought it would be. Perfect in every way. Okay, so now that that's over with, let's get into the unboxing. We have our little thank you dust bag. They only give us one dust bag though, but that's okay. A little care card. Are y'all ready? So pretty. Oh, tell me this ain't a badass fucking boot. I cannot wait to wear these. Like, these are so fire. And then the heel, like for it to be like a stiletto, you know, it's not that high. You know, still pretty thin, but it looks sturdy. You know, something I can handle. There's the bottom. And there's no zipper. So just slip them on, knee-high boots. And another thing, so I'm one of the thick calf girls, and even with these boots, it's still kind of loose. So you can wear them with jeans. You just have a lot of options. So yeah, just thought I'd throw that in. But yeah, let me get the other one so y'all can really see how cute these are. OMG. But anywho, that wraps up my review for ITALIST.com and these pretty Paris, Texas python. I'm not sure what this color is, but it gives off kind of like a mauve, purplish pink. But yeah, let's just go with pink. So these pink python boots. I'm normally a 37.5, but in boots I like to size up, so I got them in a 38 and they fit perfectly. And yeah,